Hello friends, so I welcome you all in the discussion and today I am going to discuss about a new course for both live and recorded course. So this new course that is basically focus on December 2025-26 set exam gate 26 and for all assistant professor exam means for all students. Now this will include 10 papers. First one is the major papers, real analysis, linear algebra, complex analysis, modern algebra, differential equation. It will cover both OD and PD. And all these papers which include live recording as well as the recorded lecture. Recorded lecture means the basic to advanced lecture and plus live recording classes. This minor paper that is include numerical analysis, calculus of variation, integral equation, topology and part A, and it has 700 plus structured videos, both live recording as well as the recorded lecture, right? It will include more than 50 practice tests, and even this will include also the previous year question paper, right? So you can independently write your test and check your level. This will include also the assignment, previous year questions with the test and with the solution are also available. And for the live recording, just see, you can first download this app from the Google Play Store. You just only write here Excellent Educademy, you will get this is the application. And now see here, this is our app. Once you click, then this window will open, and here you have to click on the store window, right? Once you click on the store window, the new window will be open. And for the recorded, this is code number 1. This is code number 1 which is for the recorded, right? Recorded means live recording you will get. If you want to attend the live session also, then you can subscribe this code number 2. So for the recorded lecture, which will include all the things, means all the 10 papers, test plus assignment, if you subscribe for 6 months, its price is 999, and if you want to subscribe for 1 year, it is 1999, right? And it will include all the things as I told you. For the recorded, for 6 months it is 999, and for 1 year it is 1999. For the live session, the same thing, only you can attend this live session if you register for the code 2. So 2499 for 6 months, and for 1 year 15499, right? And it will include all these 10 papers. So this is the summary. If you have any query, you can contact to us on this number, right? Thank you for watching this video.